Let me tell you this, let me tell you right now, your exquisite kiss, still burning, didn't know I missed this passion in life, now I'm addicted somehow, let me tell you what is up.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm gonna be unboxing my Simply Earth box. This comes monthly. This one is the recipe box. I do wanna let you guys know if you do wanna sign up for it, I would sign up fast. All of their recipe boxes have been selling out mid-month. They did come up with a fun starter box for you. And when you do sign up, you also get the big box for free. Link in the description box below if you want to check that out. The big box is the most amazing thing. I will leave that first video I ever did in the description box. The big box comes with roller balls. It comes with coconut oil, almond oil, different kinds of coconut oil. It comes with a ton of stuff that you can make your recipes with. So once you get all your recipes each month, you will have the beeswax, you have all the stuff to make your chapsticks and your shower melts and the candles and this and that and that. It's incredible how much stuff comes in that big box. But like I said, if you want the December box, you need to sign up fast. So this is what is in the December box. We got peppermint oil, we got candy cane, we got mandarin, we got pine scotch. And I'm gonna tell you guys, these are 100% all natural essential oils. They come with nothing but the best ingredients inside of these. So if you guys are looking for a good essential oil that doesn't have all the extra chemicals or whatnot inside of them, this is definitely the choice for you. You get over $100 value, but their oils are so inexpensive that they are definitely affordable. So without further ado, here you go. There's your 4 oils for the month. You get this little tin right here. I'm not sure what it's for yet. We will find out. Also, you get a, looks like we're gonna be making room spray, possibly. That's cute. It's like the little amber jar color. And we're gonna be making some chapstick because we have 2 little chapsticks in here. This is also a wonderful gift idea, you guys. Also, we got some name tags. We have some twine. This is gonna be a fun box. Also, I did see that they have a new deodorant. Boom! This one is Wild Root Natural Performance. And holy cow, this smells amazing. It's lavender, scented with lavender. This is seriously by far one of the nicest smelling deodorants I've ever smelled in my life. Wow, that is a strong, good scent. I'm definitely gonna be trying this out because I don't know about you, but in the summertime when I wear tank tops, I hope you guys seen that I just did that. My armpits stink all the time, so hopefully I can find some kind of deodorant, and it has essential oils in it. This is awesome. It's awesome, cool. So I am going to be making some recipes with these essential oils. I think it's cool that with candy cane, I've never had like a really fun, oh wow. You can actually make this. That's awesome. So one other cool thing about this is that I see on the back side that these 2 right here, so this mandarin and this candy cane, so you guys can see a little bit better. On the back side, because I know some people are always like, are these safe for kids? Are these safe for dogs? It says that they are safe for children 2 and up. So that's cool. The peppermint one says child safe 10 and up or 1% kids max dilution. Neat, and the pine one doesn't say, but I like that. So here we go. Let's do some recipes. I'm also going, I have a million essential oils and I have nowhere to put them. They're in my big box that I received a long time ago. I throw everything in there. So I thought it'd be fun to make some fun DIYs for essential oils. Not DIYs, some fun like trash or treasure videos. You can have a little bit of both in this video. So let's go. I'm going to start with the trash or treasures. These are super simple and easy. I paid $2.09 for this at Goodwill, and I'm just gonna be taking the back side off and ripping this picture off. And now this did not come off easy, and so I just went outside with a hand sander and sanded it down. You can tell I sanded it, but the picture did not come all the way off. I grabbed this scrapbook paper from Hobby Lobby. This was 4 for $1, and I'm just gonna trace a little house shape around and then just cut this out. I'm going to take Mod Podge. I picked this up at Michael's using a 50% off coupon, so I think it was only $2 for a nice size jar or a nice size bottle. And then I'm just going to be laying this flat on here. I try to get the bubbles out as best as I can, but this is not my profession, which is funny because years and years and years ago, I used to work at a phone company and I used to put people's screen protectors on. And you could not get bubbles in them. But Anyways, a fun fact right there. I'm just going to be taking my Waverly chalk paint in white and just painting the whole entire house. Once that was done, I put the back right back on. I did distress it just a tiny bit around the edges with a little bit of sandpaper. And voila, this was super simple and fast to do. It only took a day. This little table, I'm redoing this as well. This was $209.02 from Goodwill. And all I'm going to be doing is taking some Waverly white chalk paint and painting the bottom of this. And I didn't show a ton of this because you get the gist of me painting with white chalk paint. So I didn't show you the entire painting of the table, but I painted the whole entire thing.
With your smile, it's impossible, not melting, irresistible. When I look through your eyes, not even sky's the limit. I used to be satisfied, stayed over the surface. Now I just can't get enough. You make me feel good like no other. I just want everyone.
Next, I did sand the top down so I was able to kind of stain it a little bit. I'm using this Waverly Wax in Antique, and I'm painting over the top of this. Once the paint was on, I did just take a paper towel and wipe it off. I know you should probably use a rag or some sort, but this isn't exactly like stain, so the paper towel worked just fine. It didn't leave any paper towel anywhere, so it was perfect, and it worked just fine.
Want to see what I've discovered. And when I'm with you, I go higher. You lift me up, now I can see so much farther. Beyond the horizon. Beyond the horizon.
And this is what it looks like when it's all done. I did do a little distressing with sandpaper around the edges. I didn't show that because I feel like it's such a weird thing showing. I don't know. I guess if you guys do want to see that, let me know. But yeah, I just took a little bit of sandpaper and roughed up the edges to make it a little more distressed. And I think this is so stinking cute. I love how it can hold essential oils in different sorts of ways. I know you can always buy like essential oil holders, but this is so cute, and I love that it can just sit right on my counter. So the ones that I am using at all times right now, I can just leave right on the counter, and it looks so stinking cute. By the way, these ones right now are my favorites, and that's why I put them in the house. And the ones on the table are the brand new ones. You guys, I didn't even show you, but Simply Earth with a recipe box, they also have recipes with them. And this one is peppermint and pine self. It's pretty much like Vicks is what you're going to be making, like a Vicks vapor rub, but more, you know, all natural. So I love this one. I didn't have a double boiler or a boiler, so I did just microwave this like with 20-second increments for probably about 2 minutes until most of the beeswax was melted. I just went by the instructions, what was on here. You need like a 1/4 cup of coconut oil, and then you needed a tablespoon of beeswax, and then I'm just using the peppermint essential oil, and I think it was like 10 drops. Anyways, it's on the recipe. I'm not going to give you the whole recipe because I think I showed it in the beginning, but these are how simple the recipes are. The recipe boxes come with everything you need. The big thing of coconut oil and beeswax came with that big box I was telling you guys about, and it came with this tin to put this in. I love this because, like I said, it's more of an all-natural Vicks Vapor Rub, so I love this. Candy Cane Lip Balm. I have made chapstick in the past or lip balm in the past with their products. You just need almond oil, beeswax, and then I think I needed coconut oil too. I don't remember exactly. No, I didn't. Just beeswax, almond oil, and then you just heat it up. I did like 10 to 15-second increments in the microwave until everything was melted, and then the Candy Cane essential oil. I just dumped them right in the chapsticks. Like I said, I have made lip balm from their products in the past, and they are absolutely amazing. I loved them. The recipe boxes also come with cute little stickers, so you can put them right on there, and it tells you exactly what it is. How stinking cute. This Cold Buster roll-on smells absolutely amazing. You use the pine scotch, you use the mandarin oil, and you use the peppermint oil, and I'm telling you, it is awesome. It smells good. You use the coconut oil. The rollerball came with a big box with Simply Earth. Super awesome. I love having all this stuff on hand so you can just make everything in the recipe boxes. So this is the few items that I did make. super awesome. They're definitely going to come in handy for this winter. So if you guys want to check out Simply Earth, I will leave their links in the description box below so you guys are able to do that. I'm telling you, if you love essential oils, you will definitely love these boxes. No joke, this is why I do one of these every single month, because that's how much I like them. That's how much I love their products. And especially, like I said, with the season coming up where everybody gets sick, these are all going to come in handy. Chapped lips, runny nose, stuffy nose. It's going to be awesome. But that's it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please make sure you give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.